Asewaju is even more popular than me here now because Edo people already know that what I'm doing is because of Asewaju's impact. I'm telling you. You will see the kind of result that will come out from here because there's no opposition here in Edo. Everybody is for Asewaju here.
Obaseki's people are not for us.
Who is Obaseki's people? Does Obaseki have any man here? Let him come here now. Is Oshomole not on the street here? Oh, let him come.
By the time election gets close,
yes,
we'll see them. They will come.
Who?
The Obaseki.
Obaseki.
I know when we are close to the election.
I'm telling you, anytime he comes to Edo, wherever he is, you'll be hearing me now. Let him come. If he come to, I bet with you. Can you bet?
You are trying to frighten him.
I'm not frightening him. He knows. It's the record that will tell you whether he should come or not. You can't scam Edo and come here. Let him. He cannot come. I'm telling you.
Because of his poor record.
His poor record will not make him to come. When children can stand to pray for me, no child on the street will pray for Obaseki. No mother on the street will pray for Obaseki.
Is that bad?
Very bad. I think we need to go out together.
But the even Labour Party did well here.
When?
Labour Party.
In the election that took place, that by-election that took place in Edo Central and Ovia, did you see them? We have never produced the kind of result we produce in Esan. APC, some people, Edo people have never even tell Asewaju thank you. How are they going to tell him thank you? Is the vote. You see that flyover is very dear to Edo people. You see the one in Adesuwa is very dear to Edo people. You see that road we are doing, Safle Road, is very dear to Edo people. So these are the things that we speak for Asewaju here.
And he will win here.
Perfectly. If he will not win, I will resign as governor.
No, don't make that problem.
I am telling you. I am the one telling you.
No election can be very.
There is no election here for him. There is no election for
him. Proclamation for
my brother. Forget it. I'm a politician. Oh. I understudied Chief Aneni. My style of politics is not thuggery. It's grassroots. If you come, do you see me with elite? Or you see me with ordinary people on the street?